pass out the shoulder. Quiet, high roll off.
Hands up! Get hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! You're gonna get bit with a dog! Put your
Sheriff 53, here 20.
hands up! South end. We've ran them multiple times. Get the out of the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
I didn't copy. I heard something about Ram.
He's trying to ram him. South end.
I'm calling Blair.
We're gonna get tased. Turn the car off! I don't care! Turn the car off! Do it now! Turn the car off! Turn the car off! He's still trying to get away. Shade 53, we got get the car turned off, starting an ambulance. Look at his pacemaker's going on.
Grab his hand.
Oh my god! Get out of the car!
My fucking pacemaker! Oh my god! Oh, my pacemaker's going off! Oh my god, my pacemaker's going off!
Put your hands on your back!
My pacemaker!
Put your hands on your back!
My pacemaker's going off!
Now!
The pacemaker's going off! Oh my god! I'm sorry, this is not me! Somebody control my pacemaker! Oh my god!
You alright?
No.
Blaine, are you good?
It's still my pacemaker's going off!
Check the dog. Go ahead.
Oh god!
What's your name?
He
changed his pacemaker's going off. Get him on the side. He didn't do that until we stopped him. Okay. Sorry, I was going to tase him.
Ambulance, please, my pacemaker!
Yeah, it's going, yeah. Let it go, buddy.
I do have a shirt.
Congrats. That doesn't explain all this driving behavior, does it? No, probably not.
Oh,
You're gonna kill somebody, dude.
I'll spend all the drugs that you've been fucking. Oh my god. Report, and you'll see. Yeah, that's what you're gonna see. Oh my god.
Check your dog later.
He's good. He tried jumping out before.
Okay.
Oh,
What's your name?
it's on the ground.
He's trying to go backwards on 41, so I set a random.
No, that's fine.
That's it.
RO Steven Trias. I didn't check his other
Steven,
Ah,
What are you doing today?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I was headed to church, and then something took over me.
The devil took over you?
I swear to God.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah. There's something on his arm.
Yeah, he's got like a patch. Probably pacemaker or something.
I think his phone was in that. He threw one foot out the window.
One squad with the cage, and then we'll take a second squad south location just for traffic.
Plan's good.
Yep.
You want to set him up in the road?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty bad. Hey, Bert. All right, Steven, stand up for us.
All right, buddy, we'll get you up.
Yep, sit up. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up and
Keep
walk.
walking.
Getting kicked out.
Yeah, I don't care.
Come on, let's go. Keep walking.
Sit him on the TV. Sit down.